Hi friends, welcome back to Tech Trends. In this video, we can see how to measure temperature and humidity. We can see the different variations of temperature and humidity under different conditions. Let's watch the video. The components required for this experiment are Arduino board, LCD display, I2C converter, humidity sensor, connecting wires and connecting cable. First we need to connect the LCD display and the I2C converter parallel to each other as shown. So I already mentioned in my previous videos also, again I am explaining the same. So I2C converter has 4 pins: ground, VCC, SDA and SCL. So these 4 pins we need to connect to the Arduino board. Ground we need to connect to the ground in the Arduino. VCC we need to connect to 5 volt. SDA we need to connect to A4 and SCL we need to connect to A5. Let's see the connection. Let's connect the connecting wires to the I2C converter first. Now we can connect the other end of the I2C converter to the Arduino board. The first one is the ground pin. Ground pin we need to connect to the ground pin in the Arduino board. The second one is the VCC. VCC we need to connect to the 5 volt in Arduino board. The third pin is the SDA. SDA we need to connect to pin A4. The next one is the SCL. SCL we need to connect to A5. Now the connection of I2C converter to the Arduino board is complete. Next one is the temperature and humidity sensor. This sensor has 3 pins: positive, negative and the out. Positive we need to connect to the 5 volt. Negative we need to connect to the ground, and the out pin we need to connect to pin number D6. You can also connect to any other pin, but you need to change the pin number in the program. Let's connect the connecting wires to the temperature and humidity sensor. So I am connecting the positive pin to 3.3 volt in the Arduino board, and the negative pin to the ground pin. The middle pin is the out pin, that I am connecting to pin number D6. This is our circuit connection. Now connect the Arduino board to the laptop or PC and upload the program.
Now connect the Arduino board to the laptop and we need to upload the code. Before uploading, we need to install the library symbol THT. To install the library, go to Tools and select Manage Libraries. In the text box, search symbol DHT. Here we need to select the version and click the install button. So here I already installed the library and it is showing us installed. Now we need to select the board. The board we need to select as Arduino Uno, and we need to select the port as well. Here the port is COM6. Now click the right arrow button and upload the program to the Arduino board. Now the program is uploaded and we can check the output. We can see the temperature and humidity in this LCD display. Right now the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 95%. Now I placed the sensor in the refrigerator and you can see the temperature and humidity starts reducing based on the temperature from the refrigerator. Now the temperature is 22 degrees Celsius and humidity is 60%. And it still starts reducing. Please like this video and subscribe to Tech Trends channel. If you have any clarification, please post in the comment section. Thank you.